Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and remember, storms pass. But your strength, if you keep moving, becomes unshakable. Peace is not in avoiding struggle, but in mastering it. Keep going. You were made for more. When your soul is tired, rest, but don't quit. Even the strongest hearts need silence before they roar again. The fire in you isn't dead, it's rebuilding. Rise again. The world needs your light. You are not behind. You are being prepared. Every delay, every tear, every silence, it's building you. Peace comes when you trust the process. Power comes when you act despite the pain. Breathe. The world is loud, but your purpose is louder. No one can walk your path like you. Let the noise fade. Your actions will speak. Stay calm, but fierce. Even when you feel empty, your purpose remains full. Motivation isn't always loud. Sometimes it's a whisper. Try again. Your steps today build your greatness tomorrow. Keep walking. The pain you're carrying is not the end. It's the beginning. Growth often wears the mask of discomfort. Breathe through it. Fight through it. Your future self is cheering for you. Peace doesn't mean easy. It means grounded. Be rooted like mountains. Be relentless like rivers. Let nothing move you unless it's purpose. You are built to overcome. Hard times test your soul, but they also train your will. Let struggle sharpen you, not break you. Rise with grace, fight with focus. This is your time to become unshakable. The world may doubt you, but don't you dare doubt yourself. Let their silence be your fire. Let your actions be your answers. Peace in heart, storm in work. Breathe like a warrior before the battle. Calm, aware, prepared. The moment of doubt is the perfect time to strike. You're not here to survive, you're here to conquer. Show up. Even a quiet heart can roar when it's time. Don't rush, but never stop. Peace is your anchor. Grit is your sword. Win silently, work endlessly. Your journey is sacred. Even the messy parts. You're not lost. You're learning. Peace comes when you trust your becoming. Keep climbing. You don't need to shout to be powerful. The calmest storms hit the hardest. Build in silence, and let success be your thunder. Keep building. Strength is not in shouting, I can. It's in whispering, I will, and doing it anyway. Stay still, stay focused, stay on fire. Victory favors the steady. Wake up with peace, work with fire. Calm doesn't mean lazy. Calm means ready. Let your soul be still, but your grind be wild. Every step matters. You are not weak for needing rest. You are strong for choosing to rise again. Let peace refuel your fight. Let struggle shape your shine. The world may go fast, but your soul knows your pace. Don't compare, just commit. Peace and persistence together make miracles. Keep moving. You've survived 100% of your darkest days. That's not luck, that's strength. Let that truth be your fuel. You are capable of the impossible. Every calm breath you take is a rebellion. In chaos, choose peace. In failure, choose fight. Let stillness sharpen your focus. The war is won with inner clarity. Don't wait for motivation, build it. One step, one push, one breath at a time. Peace is earned in the process. Greatness is grown in grind. Even if your heart is tired, your spirit isn't done. Take one more step, then another. Every silent effort echoes louder later. Keep showing up. Be like fire under ice, calm above, fierce below. Your silence isn't weakness. It's strategy. Let the world underestimate you. You're about to surprise it. Success starts with stillness. The deeper your peace, the louder your potential. When others rush, breathe. And then, act with precision. Hard work isn't loud, but it's legendary. Let peace be your guide and passion your fuel. Don't scream your plans. Show your results. Your dreams didn't choose you by accident. You were made for them, with fire, faith, and focus. Stay calm, stay brave, stay hungry. Destiny is waiting. There will be days when the world feels too heavy and your heart feels too tired. But in those moments, silence becomes your strength and stillness becomes your power. You don't need to scream your potential. Your quiet persistence is enough. Let your tired feet still walk. Let your aching soul still believe. Because the ones who rise slowly are often the ones who rise the highest. You are not late, and you are not broken. You are healing in ways no one sees and growing in places no one applauds. Every silent effort, every unnoticed step is preparing you for something divine. Let the pressure shape you, not crush you. You were born for more than survival. You were born to rise like fire from ashes. There is a version of you that does not give up, no matter what. That version doesn't shout. It shows up. It works in the dark. It fights in silence. It keeps going when no one is watching. Let that version lead you today. not with noise, but with undeniable action. You don't have to prove yourself to anyone, not when your actions are already building a future that speaks louder than words. Peace isn't in stopping, it's in knowing why you move. Don't let the chaos of others distract the clarity of your grind. You're not here to impress, you're here to impact. True strength is when you can be calm in the face of pressure and still push forward. Not because it's easy, but because something inside you refuses to quit. Let your silence scream louder than doubt. Let your peace be the evidence of your inner power. And let every hard day become a chapter of your victory. Some people will never understand your fire, and that's okay. It's not their vision, not their journey, not their battle. Your calm doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're wise. You know when to wait and when to work. Stay grounded, stay consistent, and let time make the noise. You were never meant to be ordinary. That's why ordinary things never satisfied you. You crave depth, meaning, real peace, not temporary praise. The fire in your soul is not meant to burn out quietly. It's meant to light the path for others one day. So work hard, love deep, and let your legacy speak louder than your voice. Even if no one claps for you, clap for yourself. Because no one else knows the battles you're silently winning. You've walked through storms others couldn't even stand in. And still, here you are, building, healing, hoping. Don't underestimate the quiet power of your journey. Discipline will carry you when motivation fades. Peace will hold you when pressure rises. And belief in your own potential, will fuel you when the world turns away. You're not weak. You're rebuilding. And that makes you unstoppable. You don't need a perfect plan. You need relentless action. Start with what you have from where you are. Let peace be your foundation and persistence be your fire. Everything great begins with one step taken with belief. So breathe, then move. Again and again.